My name's David Welch. I'm a custom car builder down here in Southern California. I'm working on a custom truck right now and I need to get a steering wheel for it, like I'm sure you do too. Now I can go to Brothers and I can get original style steering wheels. They're obviously coming in a lot of different colors these days. These were 17.5 inches and that was necessary for the torque, especially if you didn't have power steering. But if you're building a custom truck, more than likely you've got power steering on there. So what I like to do is go with the Super Sport. It didn't actually come on the trucks, it was made for the cars, but we've made an adapter plate that bolts right onto your steering column and lets this steering wheel fit right on top. It comes with a nice horn button right here. Now this is a Chevy emblem. We don't have a GMC. If you've got a GMC, you make sure you check out all of our choices and our billet steering wheels because we've got a lot of choices for you. But if you've got a Chevy, the Sport here is a really good way to go. It's nice, it's light, it's only about 15 inches wide. That's going to make it easier for you to get in and out of the truck. You won't have to raise and lower your steering column if you have an adjustable steering column. So it's a really good way to go. It doesn't take a lot of time to install. You be sure you check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and on YouTube because I'm making these videos every single day to get you guys back on the road.